Did you know that the way you dress can instantly boost your attractiveness by up to 80%? And the best part, well, you don't need to spend a single penny to look fabulous and feel confident. Today, I'm going to show you how to elevate your style and find your inner lady, as we're going to be covering topics like how to find confidence to wear the clothes that you want, how to level up the outfits you're wearing, how to save money when shopping, and most importantly, how to use outfit formulas in your favor to save time every single day. Are you ready? Now, let's begin. Now, let's be honest for a moment. How often do you find yourself staring in your wardrobe and feeling like you have nothing to wear? And how often do you take more than 10 minutes to get dressed and still feel like your outfit is not right? The common case of "I have nothing to wear" has happened to me way more times than I can count, and yet I have a wardrobe full of clothes, shoes and accessories. The worst part though, that it usually happens to me when I'm in a hurry and I have somewhere important to be. Or maybe you feel the need to buy something new for every occasion possible, believing it's the only way to stay stylish. And then there is a social media, of course. Everyone seems to have an impeccable fashion taste, leaving you wondering where on earth do they shop. Ladies, let me tell you, you're getting it all wrong. Getting dressed and looking your best doesn't have to be complicated. Elevating your fashion sense doesn't require a never-ending shopping spree. With just a few simple techniques, you can transform your style and boost your confidence instantly. So let me help you to elevate your style and make it insanely easy to put together stylish outfits in no time, even when you're in a rush. So step number one is finding your aesthetic and the confidence to wear what you truly love every single day. This is your foundation, the essence of your personal style. Take a moment to reflect on what truly inspires you. Think about the styles, colors, pieces that make your heart flutter. Is it the timeless elegance of Audrey Hepburn, the bold and fearless vibes of fashion-forward influencer, or perhaps a chic minimalism of Parisian street style? Whatever it is, identify it and embrace it. Now let's translate that inspiration into your wardrobe. Start by curating a mood board. This could be a physical collage or a digital board on Pinterest, for example. Collect images of outfits, accessories, the colors that resonate with your aesthetic. This visual representation will serve you as your style compass. With this curated collection in place, experiment with different combinations. Don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone and try new pairings. Mix and match, layer and accessorize. And remember, confidence comes from feeling good in what you're wearing, and that often means being true to yourself and to your style. And here is a little secret: the confidence to wear what you want every single day comes from within. It's all about radiating the best energy you can, but also leveling up your life because of the clothes that you wear, and therefore the message that you're giving across to everybody else. Because whether you like it or not, fashion is a form of self-expression, and other people define you through the clothes you're wearing. Trust me when I say impeccable personal style with the confidence with that gives you so much pretty privilege. And if you go outside and you're a little bit more extra with your clothes that you're wearing, more people will look at you, smile at you, talk to you and be way friendlier. Your fashion sense can literally open doors for you. The way you construct your outfits gives off the message that I'm successful, I'm sophisticated, and I have money. Step number two, stop following trends. Yes, you heard me right. We're done with it. It's time to stop trying to look like everyone else and start embracing your unique, elegant style, ladies. Trends come and go, and while they can be fun to explore, they often lead to a cycle of constant buying and discarding. Not only is this exhausting and expensive, but it also dilutes your personal style. You're wasting money and you're wasting your time. You're going further away from your true, authentic self, and you're investing in pieces you're going to be wearing for how long? 3 months perhaps? And then never again. Well, instead of being a trend chaser, become a style icon in your own right. Let's break free from the trend trap. Start by focusing on timeless pieces that never go out of style, like classic blazer, little black dress, well-fitted jeans and elegant accessories. These are the items that will form the backbone of your wardrobe and can be styled in multiple ways. I honestly think when it comes to reinventing your style and being able to dress better, you need to step out of your comfort zone to find your true confidence in style. Another key aspect is to understand your body shape and what flatters it. When you know what cuts, fabrics and silhouettes work best for you, it becomes easier to make choices that enhance your natural beauty and make you feel confident. This knowledge, in fact, is far more valuable than any fleeting trends. Now tell me, what do you want your wardrobe to say about you? So step number 3 is crucial. You need to own your style and stop caring about what other people think of you. This is where true confidence and individuality come to play. Owning your style means embracing who you are and expressing it unapologetically through your fashion choices. It's about wearing what makes you feel fabulous and confident regardless of opinions of others. When you dress for yourself, you project authenticity and strength, two qualities that are incredibly attractive. I've had countless experiences with people in my life where they say, "Oh, but what is everyone else wearing?" Or, "I can't turn up too dressy because everyone will be staring at me. What will people think?" Or, "No, people will notice that." Or, "It's not the norm to dress like this in that place." Everything along the line. Well, who cares? Do you not realize you're allowing other people to run your life for you? Most of the time, all of them are just strangers who are completely irrelevant. Remember, ladies, it's all down to you and what energy and meaning you want to give off. Your style is a reflection of your personality, your taste, and your experiences. No one else can dictate what works for you because no one else is you. Embrace this uniqueness and let it shine through your wardrobe. Remember, not everyone will understand or appreciate your style, and that's okay. Fashion is subjective, and diversity in style is what makes it so exciting. When you stop caring about fitting into other people's expectations, you liberate yourself to explore and develop a style that is genuinely yours. Step number 4 is about building your outfit formulas, and this is a game changer, ladies. Having a few go-to outfit formulas can save you so much time and stress when getting dressed, and it ensures you always look effortlessly stylish. So if you have no idea what I'm talking about right now, an outfit formula is a combination of pieces that you know work well together and make you feel fabulous. Think of it as your style blueprint. So the first essential outfit formula is mastering the art of balancing your fancy clothes with your casual ones. This approach allows you to create effortlessly chic ensembles that are both stylish and versatile. It's all about mixing high and low pieces to achieve that perfect blend of elegance and ease. It balances you out, and it means that if you're not sure what to wear, you won't turn up to an event looking either too dressy or too casual. And with this formula, it also means you could wear these outfits anywhere because it's a mixture of both. Now, the second outfit formula is balancing the amount of skin you're showing, and this is a key principle for looking elegant and chic. Striking the right balance between covered and exposed creates a look that's both alluring and sophisticated. And by mastering the balance of how much skin you show, you create outfits that are both elegant and stylish, exuding confidence and class without trying too hard. And the last outfit formula I want to share with you today is the timeless and foolproof white plus anything. This formula is incredibly versatile and always looks fresh, clean, and effortlessly chic. The color white goes literally with anything, and yes, you probably would think that it's because it's a neutral color. Well, no, beige doesn't go with everything, and black certainly doesn't go with everything either, whereas white can be worn all year round with any shade of any color. And by using the white plus anything formula, you can create a multitude of stylish looks with minimal effort. It's a versatile strategy that works for any season, and any occasion. And by having these formulas in hand, you can mix and match with these, creating a cohesive and polished look every time. Now, step number 5 is to invest in few statement pieces. These are the showstoppers in your wardrobe, the pieces that make you feel like the best dressed person in any room. But here's the catch. Don't just buy a statement piece because everyone else is wearing it. That defeats the whole purpose of making a unique statement. I always try to be mindful about my purchases and how they fit into my lifestyle and my wardrobe. Not everything is for everyone, so when in doubt, these are some helpful questions I like to ask myself to figure out if I'm making a good purchasing decision. Can I style this item with at least 5 other items that currently exist in my wardrobe? Is this something that I will continue to wear and love in the foreseeable future? Or is it something that I just love right now because, well, I saw someone else is wearing it and I loved how it looked on them? Does this item make sense in my current lifestyle of being a busy mom or working from home? Well, be honest with yourself. Your statement pieces should be a true reflection of your personal style and confidence. Your statement pieces should express who you are, whether it's a bold red coat, a stunning pair of heels, or a unique piece of jewelry. Well, choose items that resonate with your personality and style. These pieces should make you feel confident and empowered wherever you wear them. While statement pieces are meant to stand out, they should also be versatile enough to be worn in different settings as well. A statement blazer, for instance, can be dressed up for a formal event or dressed down with jeans for a casual chic look. The goal is to have pieces that you can mix and match with various outfits, maximizing their impact. By investing in few carefully selected statement pieces, you'll elevate your entire wardrobe and ensure you always look your best. Remember, ladies, confidence is the key. The way you carry yourself in your clothes matters more than the price tag. And when you feel good in what you're wearing, it shows, it really does. And that's the most attractive quality of all. Dressing better and finding your style doesn't have to cost you a fortune. It's all about making the most of what you already have, getting creative and wearing everything with confidence. Now, if you're hungry for more tips on transforming your wardrobe and elevating your style, hit that subscribe button down below and ring the bell so you never miss another video from me. And if you enjoyed watching this video, give it a huge thumbs up and share it with your friends. Follow me for more fabulous content, and until next time, bye bye.